Good morning students. Today my topic is square roots using division method. In last two classes we already discussed about how to find a square root by using a prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, the given number we divide it by the numbers of prime numbers and then we'll get a square root of the number. Here the method is division. This is different, absolutely different than the prime factorization method. For example, square root of 784 is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? We have to find square root of 784 by using a division method. In division method, first step you should write like this. Division method 784. So we have unit place, tens place, 100 place. In first step, we have to divide a given number as a two pairs. Here, this is from left to right. From right to left, we should divide the given number as a two numbers. This is one pair, but this one we don't have any pair number. We don't have any pair. That's why we have to take only this one as a single number, 7 here. This 7 number we have to divide. That one divisor and quotient should be same, then we'll get this one will be divided, then we'll get a remainder. If suppose if I take 1 here, you should here also we can take quotient also 1 into 1 2. It is very less than the 7 value. Okay, so that's why 1 is not possible. 2 is a 4. It is nearer to 7. Okay, if I take 3 is a 9. It is a more than of this number. That's why we have to take 2 only is the correct number. 2 is a 4. The divisor number, quotient number should be same. If it is a different number, if it is a different number, we cannot get a perfect answer. That's why the divisor and the quotient number should be same. That's why 2 is a 4. 2 is a 4. How much? So 2 is a 4. 2 is a 4. And next step, we have to do subtract. 7 minus 4. How much? 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the second step. Next, third step, we have to continue like this. In third step, again we have to write remaining 2 numbers. That will become 84. Now next fourth step, here 2 is there. The 2 number we have to take double of this number. Any number we have here, that double of the number we have to take here. Here 2 is there. 2 double is how much? 4. We have to take 4. 2 double value is 4. Next step, here 4 is a divisor number. Next one, it is, if I write 1 here, we can write 1 also here. It means 41 here. 41 into 1 is how much? 41. Means very less than of this value. Next. So 1 is not possible. If I write 2 here also 2. Here also 2. Now means 42 into these 2. Whatever the number we wrote here, same number we have to write and then multiply the given number by whatever the number we wrote here, that number we should multiply. 42 into 2, how much? 84. But here how much here? 384, less value. So 42 into 2 is also not possible. If I take 4 here, it will become 4. Means 44 into 4. 44 into 4 how much? 4 so 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 176. Again less value. So 4 also not possible. Next 7 means what? 47 is multiply with 7. 47 is multiply with 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 fours are 28 plus 4, 32 means it will become nearer. So 47 into 7 will get 329. It is a very nearer, but we cannot get an exact of 384. So 7 also not possible. Next, after 7, what is the number? 8. Here 8, here 8 means 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32. How much? 38. So 38. What is the answer? 384. Means it is exact of remainder value. That's why we have to write 8 only is the correct possible number. 48 into 8 is how much? 384. 384. What is the remainder now? It will total get cancelled. 0. Whenever remainder has a 0, that corresponding coefficient value is our answer. Whenever the remainder has a 0, that corresponding divisor, the divisor is how much here? 48. So therefore square root of 784 equal to how much? 48 is the answer. So square root of 784 in division method, what is our answer? 48. If you have a doubt, you have to check. Means 48 into 48, is it equal to 784 or not? You have to check like that. 48 into 48. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32. Means 384. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 how much? Forty-eight card. 28 this one. So this is not a 48, it is a 28. The corresponding coefficient value, that is 28. So 28 into 28. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So 4, 8, 7, 784. So means corresponding coefficient value is our answer. Square root of 784 in division method. What is our answer? 24. Like this we have to calculate in the division method. So next sum. So same method we can calculate square root of 1296 is how much? Square root of 1296 by using the division method. So same 1296. What is our first step? We have to divide a given number in two pairs. So 1 2 1 2 like this. And that means here we have to take this number as a whole part. In first step 7 only remainder, 7 only single number, that's why 2 2s are 4 we can take it. But here 12 is a whole number, that one you have to divide with same. If it is 2 2, 2 2s are 4, it will become very less. 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, means nearer to 12. If I take 4 4 is a 16, we will get more value of this 12. That's why 3 3 is a 9. Next subtract 12 minus 9, how much? 3. Remaining two numbers we should take as it is, 396. So next continuation. What is the next step? The coefficient value is 3. Double of that value. 3 double is how much? 6. 3 double value is 6. If I wrote 2 here, it will become 62. The same number we should write here, 2. So means 62 into 2. 62 into 2, not 32. Just we are writing 2. Here writing 2. It will become 62. Now 2. 62 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 164. Means very less value. So 2 is wrong. Next. 3 63 into 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is a 18, 189 will get, very less. So 3 also wrong. 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30 plus 2 32, nearer to 396 but not exactly equal to 396. So again 6 means it will become 66 into 6, 66 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39, 396 means exact remainder value, 396. Now what is the remainder value here? 0 is the remainder. Whenever we get a 0 as a remainder while doing like this, that corresponding coefficient value is 36. This 36 is the square root of 1296. Therefore square root of 1296 equal to 36 is our answer. So square root of 1296 is 36. We can check by the multiplication. 36 square equal to this one. Means 36 we have to multiply 2 times. Then only we will get this one. 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 21. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, addition 6, 9, 2, 1, 1 2 9 6, exact our answer is correct. So square root of 1296 is 36 is our answer. This is the division method. Like this we have to calculate. So same question, same method, I will give one question, that is your homework. Square root of 8281 is how much? 8281. This one you have to calculate by using both method, prime factorization method and division method. By using prime factorization method and then division method. Both methods will get a same answer. This is your homework. Square root of 8281 value is how much? That is your homework, sir. Okay, I have to do two methods. Okay, thank you.